Hey everyone, and welcome. So, we're diving straight into something today that is, without a doubt, fundamentally reshaping how we work, how we learn, and how we create. We're talking about artificial intelligence. And honestly, my favorite part about all of this, it's how incredibly accessible it's become. This isn't just some exclusive tool for tech experts in Silicon Valley anymore. It's literally for everyone. And you can start using it right now, today.
So just picture this for a second. What if you had a personal assistant available 24/7? Imagine a tireless assistant that's always on standby to help you write those tricky emails, learn complex new skills, organize your chaotic schedule, or even brainstorm ideas with you at 2 in the morning. I know, it totally sounds like science fiction, right? But this is the actual reality millions of people are already living right now, thanks to AI.
To help get you to that reality, today's explainer has 5 main parts. We'll start with Meet Your AI Assistants, then choosing the right tool, AI in everyday life, making money with AI, and finally, how to get started.
All right, Section 1. Meet your AI assistants, specifically understanding ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. Let's start with ChatGPT. Created by OpenAI, this one is probably the most famous of the bunch. It's basically built to understand everyday human language, which makes it amazing for writing, answering questions, and helping you learn new concepts. Honestly, it's a fantastic starting point if you're a beginner, just because of its incredible versatility. Whether you need general help or some creative brainstorming, it is essentially a conversational powerhouse. To really bring this to life, imagine you're a student, or maybe you're pivoting into a brand new career. You can literally just type this exact prompt into ChatGPT. Explain marketing principles like I am a beginner, and bam! Within seconds, you get this perfectly tailored, simple explanation that breaks down a massively complex topic into everyday language.
Next up on the list is Google Gemini, which is Google's native AI assistant. Now, what really makes Gemini stand out is that its strength comes directly from being plugged into the whole Google ecosystem. It is super seamless at working across different types of information. So if you're already relying heavily on Google's tools and you need deep research or information analysis, Gemini is going to be an absolute game changer for you. For instance, check out this example prompt that's perfect for a researcher. Organize this information and summarize the complex topics. You just feed it all your chaotic, messy notes, and it neatly structures the whole thing for you. It's a massive time saver for researchers, students, or literally anyone who needs to sift through heavy data fast. Finally, rounding out our big 3, we have Claude AI. This one is created by a company called Anthropic, and Claude has a slightly different specialty. It is absolutely phenomenal for long documents, detailed writing, and professional analysis. If you need to process massive amounts of text while maintaining a highly polished, professional tone, Claude is your heavy lifter.
So, on a practical level, say a business owner uploads a massive 50-page report. They can just use a prompt like this. Summarize the most important points of this large business document. Instead of burning your entire afternoon reading through page after page, you extract exactly what you need to know in seconds. It's like having the ultimate executive assistant. Okay, moving right along to Section 2. Choosing the right tool. Which AI is best for your task? The truth is, there's no single best AI tool overall. The right choice always depends entirely on what you're trying to accomplish. To map out each tool's real superpower here, ChatGPT is your absolute go-to for general assistance, creativity, and learning. Gemini takes the crown for heavy research and integrating with those Google workflows. And Claude? Claude is your go-to for long documents and detailed analysis. Keep this little cheat sheet in mind, and you'll always match the right AI to your immediate needs.
Let's dive into Section 3, AI in Everyday Life. We'll look at 6 ways AI can save you time today.
We're shifting from the theory now into how these tools actually give you everyday superpowers. There are incredibly common tasks where AI can step in and drastically reduce your workload. Things like writing emails, creating your resume, learning new skills, summarizing documents, putting together presentations, and even boosting your personal productivity, like mapping out a travel schedule.
Let's actually look at one of the most relatable examples for pretty much everyone. Writing emails. Instead of staring blankly at a screen for 20 minutes, agonizing over the perfect wording, just try this simple prompt. Write a polite email asking my client for project feedback. Just like that, you get a solid professional draft instantly. You tweak maybe a word or two, hit send, and you're moving on with your day. So easy. Or what if you're focused on continuous learning? AI is absolutely unparalleled here. Check out this prompt.
Create a 30-day learning plan for Python programming. And you can swap Python out for literally anything. Marketing, a new language, investing, you name it. You're basically letting AI act as your own customized private tutor, building a structured curriculum entirely around your goals. Which brings us to Section 4, Making Money with AI. We're looking at enhancing your skills to create online opportunities. Now, before we go any further, I want you to remember this quote. AI does not guarantee instant money. The goal is not replacing human creativity. The goal is becoming faster and more productive. This is crucial, guys. AI isn't some magic money button. It is simply a tool that amplifies the valuable human skills you already possess. With that mindset, a whole world of opportunities really does open up for freelancers and professionals. By combining AI with your own human creativity, you can offer highly efficient services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. We're talking AI-assisted content writing, YouTube script creation, social media management, or even building digital products like templates and guides. You can offer freelance AI services or deep research assistance. You're helping businesses get things done, and you're getting paid for that amplified productivity. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed by all this, do not worry. This brings us right to Section 5, How to Get Started, featuring 4 simple steps for beginners. Here is your exact blueprint. Step 1, just choose one tool. Step 2, use that AI for simple daily problems. Step 3, learn better prompting. And Step 4, combine AI with your existing skills. By simply picking one tool today and using it for a minor problem like drafting an email, you immediately cross that line from being a passive observer to an active user. To help you master Step 3, better prompting, look at this comparison. Instead of giving it a vague instruction like, write something, you ask, write a professional LinkedIn post for a beginner marketing audience with a friendly tone. See the difference? Better instructions yield much better results. Your mastery of AI is going to grow exponentially just by learning to ask better questions. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this final thought. AI is not replacing people. People using AI are becoming more powerful. Honestly, that is the absolute most important takeaway today. This whole technological revolution, it's not about replacing you. It's about empowering those who are willing to step up and learn. So the big question is, will you sit on the sidelines or will you start your AI journey today and become more powerful? I'll leave you with that thought. If you found this helpful, share this explainer with a friend who needs to see it, and above all else, keep experimenting. Thanks so much for joining me today.